Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I wanted to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. It's actually really easy. Make sure you're logged in. Go to the top right corner and right here where it says dark theme is off. So click on that. Dark theme turns the light surfaces of the page dark, creating an experience ideal for night. Try it out. So all you do is just click here to enable it. I really like this. It's a lot better than having that bright background when you're surfing the YouTube. So if you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is just go top right, go back to dark theme, and just click off it. So I hope the video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.